When I was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they're back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's up, what it's up. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. And I knew from watching you.
Happy birthday to you. Love it lang agad. Birthday to you. Mamadali. Ulit. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Saba. 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 No, ayan na. Oh. Ayan ang gagawin. Ano na? Ano na? Nahilain niyo yung ano? Walang hidiya. Walang hila. Yung hila. Hilain niyo yan. Nahilain niyo. Sige, hila. Hila. Yay! Lumabas na. Lumabas na. Sayang. Balik ang pera. Balik ang pera. Pose. Hindi ko na po, sorry.
Ay, hati tayo dyan eh, ha?
Okay na yan.
Dahan-dahan.
Hindi, sana may bawag sa dulo.
Hindi, kaya niya yan.
Yay! Hila pa! Sige pa, meron pa.
Hindi pa.
Hila!
Ang dami na na.
Dami yan ah, 50,000 yan. Tabi niyo ako na.
Ay, jacket naman.
Grabe, tabi 1,000 na. Ay, dami naman na. Happy birthday!
Dami na.
Kasihan
Blow the candle. Blow. Hey.
37 years old. Oh, hey! Nagsayaw na. Hey! Uy, mamaya na. Sabay-sabay na. Wait nyo ako! Nagsayaw na! Ikot!